Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use middleware with NextJS 15. So let's get started. So what you need to do, so to first create a middleware, all you need to do is create a file called middleware.ts inside the src folder. I'm using app router for this. So you just have to create a file called middleware, and you just have to create export function middleware, and here you can pass whatever like this is just a next request, and inside this particular thing you will have to define your own logic what should happen on a middleware. So I will take two use cases. So what I have done is that first I have just created this page called hello page.tsx. So very simple page. So we will have a /hello route inside our application. Now our middleware will only get triggered whenever the user visits /hello inside our web application. Then what I'm doing is I'm taking whatever response we have, I'm checking inside our cookies whether we have this particular cookie or not. Is user logged in? So I'm getting the value out of it. If it is false, if we don't have a cookie, then we are just setting a cookie. We are just doing response.cookies.set is user logged in as true and returning the response. So this is also very important. You have to return the response, otherwise things will not work for you. So here you can see, let me show you the output. Here I'm on localhost 3000. Here you can see that I don't have any cookies. Then I'll just go to localhost 3000 /hello and I'll just click on enter. And if you see over here, now you can see it has set this cookie for me. And now what if I'll just make this as false, or I'll just delete this completely, delete all. Now what if I want to redirect using middleware? So for that what you will have to do is, I want to redirect whenever the user visits the /hello page. I want to set the cookie as well. Okay, so for that you will have to use something like this. So first I'm again checking whether I have a request, this is user logged in cookie or not. If I don't have it, then I'm redirecting the user to the like the base URL localhost 3000. But as soon as the user is redirected, I'm also setting the cookie. So this is how you set the cookie in case of redirection. Here in first case we were not redirecting it, so we can set the cookie something like this. But in case of redirection you will have to set the cookie using something like this, and then we have to return the redirect response, and in else clause we just return next response.next. Okay, so hopefully you got the point. Now like I said, we'll go to the /hello page. I'll just refresh this. It will redirect us to the base URL, and it will also set the cookie for us. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I think I didn't save this. Okay, sorry about this. I'll just save this and I'll just delete this cookie as well. I'll just click on delete all. Now I'll refresh, and here you can see it has redirected me to the base URL, and it has also set the cookie for me. So yeah, that's how you can use middleware. Like this is just an example. If you want to set headers as well, you can just use response.headers.set, and same how we have done it for cookies, same way you will have to do it for headers as well. Just you will have to replace this word cookies with headers. Rest everything remains the same. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.